Transcriber's World. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. Please use this as a reference. Every piece of information in this channel does not guarantee that you will pass the test. It is only a guide that can help you become a better transcriber. Gotranscript multiple choice questions. The correct pronoun here is the word your. Check the Gotranscript guidelines. Only these forms are used for the affirmative and negative. This is the correct format according to GT guidelines. Letter C is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe and be updated with our latest videos. The correct preposition here is the word off. The keyword here is direct quotation. Search direct quotation on Gotranscript guidelines. The keyword here is abbreviation. Search abbreviation on the Gotranscript guidelines. The keyword here is pause. Search pause on the Gotranscript guidelines. Pause must be bold and with timestamp. Search full verbatim on Gotranscript guidelines. Search slang words on Gotranscript guidelines. Don't forget to subscribe and be updated with our latest videos. The keyword here is timestamping. Search timestamping on the Gotranscript guidelines. Gotranscript audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test by Gotranscript.
The commercial unit of measurement of cement is the barrel. The unit of shipment is the bag. A barrel of Portland cement contains 380 pounds of cement, and the barrel itself weighs 20 pounds. There are 4 bags, either made from cloth or paper, of cement to the barrel, and the regulation cloth sack weighs 1.5 pounds. Now, the size of cement barrels varies due to the differences in weight of cement and to differences in compacting the cement into the barrel. A light burned Portland cement weighs 100 pounds per struck bushel. However, a heavy burned Portland cement can weigh from 118 to 125 pounds per struck bushel. The number of cubic feet of packed Portland cement in a barrel ranges from 3 to 3.5.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
I can just hear you asking, what is a struck bushel? Well, believe it or not, it's also called a U.S. bushel, and it's equal to 2,150.42 cubic inches, or 35,245.38 cubic centimeters. It's considered the equivalent of the Winchester bushel, a measure used in England from the 15th century until 1824. A U.S. level bushel is made up of 4 pecks, or 32 dry quarts. 2 bushels make up a unit called a strike. Natural cements are lighter than Portland cement. A barrel of Louisville, Akron, Utica, or other western natural cement contains 265 pounds of cement and weighs 15 pounds. A barrel of Rosendale or other eastern cement contains 300 pounds of cement, and the barrel itself weighs 20 pounds. There are 3 3/4 cubic feet in a barrel of Louisville cement. Usually, there are 3 bags to a barrel of natural cement.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
A popular construction for automatic bucket hoists is that shown in the accompanying illustrations, but let me describe them for you in case you can't see them. The bucket is held upright by guides at its front and rear edges. To dump it out, a section of the front guide is removed at the desired dumping point, which allows the bucket to overturn as shown. A friction crab hoist operated from the mixer engine runs the bucket. foot of the hoist is set in a pit with the mixer at surface level, but the hoist can be set on the surface and the mixer mounted on a platform. In the latter case, a charging bucket traveling from the stockpile up an inclined track to the mixer platform is generally used. A hoist like this, equipped with a half cubic yard ransom mixer, will cost about $1,500 and will deliver 15 cubic yards of concrete per hour.
This audio is used for the transcriber test by Gotranscript.
Want to know the secret to good concrete? Well, after the selection of good materials, thorough mixing and hard tamping are key. Each batch of concrete, consisting of about 1.2 cubic yards, has to be turned in the mixer for not less than 2 minutes at the rate of 9 revolutions per minute. The amount of tamping is indicated by the fact that about 9 men out of 52 on each shift did nothing but tamp. A common mistake too many work sites make is to assume that the volume of concrete produced is equal to the quantity of sand plus the gravel as indicated in the proportion. Sometimes the sand lodges in the voids between the pebbles. If 6 cubic yards of concrete are desired, 9 times out of 10 it'll be necessary to use 2.7 cubic yards of sand and 5.34 cubic yards of gravel.
This audio is used for the transcriber test by Gotranscript.
Don't forget to subscribe and be updated with our latest videos.